Good morning, Hudson. Is there lots of chickens here?
Yeah.
And they keep waking you up?
Yeah.
Yeah. I think they're roosters, because what do they say?
That's a chicken.
You think it's a chicken?
Yeah.
But it says cock-a-doodle-doo.
It says milk.
It says cock-a-doodle-doo.
No, it's not milk. Milk.
Oh, what?
No.
What did you say we should do with them so they stop making noise?
Throw it away.
You want us to throw the roosters away?
Yeah.
That wouldn't be very nice.
Maybe cats taste them.
We'll chase them?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I want Mimi to taste them.
You want Nini to chase them?
Yeah.
She's not very good at running. She might not be the good person for that job.
For me,
Yeah, you could chase them.
that's me, and you can taste them.
Just me and you can chase them.
There's any roosters.
There's no roosters in our room, but they sure are outside, huh?